Top business ideas for 2023. Start your journey to success. Hello everyone, and welcome back, and today we're diving into the most promising business ideas for the year 2023. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur or looking to take your business to the next level, you've come to the right place. 1. Tech-driven services. Our first business idea is all about embracing technology. In 2023, tech-driven services are more in demand than ever. Think about offering services like AI consultation, cybersecurity, or helping businesses transition to remote work setups. 2. Sustainable and eco-friendly products. Next up, sustainability is a major trend. Start a business that focuses on eco-friendly products, from sustainable fashion to upcycled home goods. Consumers are increasingly eco-conscious, and this is a market with immense potential. 3. Health and wellness ventures. Health and wellness remain a top priority for people. Consider launching a health and fitness startup, a wellness app, or a unique approach to mental health and self-care. The possibilities are endless in this growing industry. 4. E-commerce and niche marketplaces. The e-commerce industry continues to thrive, but the key is finding a niche. Think about creating a specialized online marketplace for a particular group of products, like artisanal foods, handmade crafts, or vintage fashion. 5. Subscription box services. Subscription boxes are all the rage. Whether it's gourmet coffee, pet supplies, or self-improvement books, the subscription box model is a fantastic way to keep customers engaged and excited. 6. Virtual and augmented reality ventures. Virtual and augmented reality are changing the way we work, play, and learn. If you're tech-savvy, consider a business related to VR, AR, whether it's virtual tours, gaming experiences, or educational content. 7. Home improvement and renovation services. With more people spending time at home, the home improvement industry is booming. Start a business in renovation, smart home installations, or DIY classes. People want to make their homes more comfortable and functional. 8. Online education and e-learning platforms. The online education sector is still on the rise. Create your e-learning platform, offer tutoring services, or build a marketplace for courses and educational resources. Education is a timeless investment. 9. Personal finance and investment advisory. As the economy evolves, so does the need for sound financial advice. Consider a business focused on personal finance, investment strategies, or financial planning. People want to make the most of their money. Ten. Food and beverage ventures. Lastly, the food and beverage industry is always evolving. Start a restaurant, food truck, or explore food tech innovations. From plant-based options to unique cuisines, there's a lot of room for creativity in this sector. Closing scene. These are just a few of the many business ideas that have great potential in 2023. Remember, success comes to those who are willing to adapt, stay innovative, and provide real value to their customers. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more insightful content on entrepreneurship, business trends, and success strategies. Thank you for joining us today. We wish you all the best in your business endeavors in 2023. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and remember, the future is yours to create.